charge, Dr. Emil Barro, Sir, honored guests, fellow teachers, students, parents, and friends, good afternoon. Our speaker this afternoon is a brilliant classmate of mine, and of course, a friend so dear to me. He was born on January 10, 1995 at Don Carlos, Bukidnon. He is the third child of the four children of Mr. Carlito Rosario and Mrs. Judith Rosario. He finished his primary education at Niara Elementary School as the class valedictorian. In high school, he graduated from our very own school, Danghaga National High School, proudly an alumnus of PNHS. He was actually one of the brilliant minds in our class before, or shall I say, he was the most brilliant in our batch because he was our class valedictorian. He finished his tertiary education with flying colors at Central Mindanao University in 2015 with a degree, Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology, magna cum laude. On the following year, in 2016, he finished his second degree, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, still magna cum laude. Additionally, in his college days, he was a consistent awardee of numerous awards and recognitions for his excellence, which include being a consistent university scholar from 2011 to 2016, outstanding JPM, Mayor Jose P. Obedential Excellence Award, Most Outstanding Accountancy Student, Ultimate Accounting Wizard of the Year, 6th Placer National Accounting Quiz Showdown 2015 Mindanao Eliminations, 1st Placer BFJPA Cup Level 3 Practical Accounting 1, and a lot more. With that achievements, he became a certified public accountant with a rating score of 91.67% on the CPA licensure examination on October 2016. He is also a real estate appraiser. His work experience includes being an instructor at Central Mindanao University Accountancy Department, where he also functions as the International Relations College Coordinator from January 2019 to July 2023. Despite his successes, that didn't stop him to strive for professional development. He completed his Master's in Business Administration at Xavier University Ateneo in Cagayan on May 2022. And at present, he is a Juris Doctor student, still at Xavier University. He is soon to be a lawyer, and in fact, in his quest for professional growth, he has managed to sustain his excellence. He was the third in rank in a class of 150 plus law students on the first semester. So I was definitely in awe to have heard that rise rate from his mother. Okay, so through our speaker this afternoon, I feel so proud to acknowledge that our school, the Danghaga National High School, is successful in honing and nurturing globally competitive individuals worthy of emulation, as reflected in his outstanding academic endeavors and achievements. And what I personally admire about this person is that despite his victories and accomplishments, he remained humble. He keeps his feet on the ground while his eye. Another pride of the Danghaga National High School, our certified public accountant and soon to be a lawyer,